So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default icons theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you've accidentally changed the icon theme, or if you just want to switch back to the default option you're normally used to, this is what you need to do. Start by navigating to the Galaxy theme store, and you can do this in two ways. One of them is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then in the home screen editor, select Themes. And the other is by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and tap on Themes, and either option, you'll be brought to the Galaxy theme store. Once you're in the Galaxy theme store, you want to tap on Menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you want to select the option My Stuff. Under My Stuff, tap on the category labeled Icons at the top here. And then you should see all the icon themes that you've used on your device. To switch to default, tap on the option labeled Default, and then select Apply, and wait for the theme to be applied. Once the theme has been applied, you'll be redirected back to your home screen, and the default icons that you were previously used to seeing have been returned. So now you can go back to using your phone with the default icons theme. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.